Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to do a haul. Basically everything I bought is from ZARA and I just came back from the mall. It's currently 10:40. Everything was on sale up to like 70%, so I had some damage. Yeah. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna start off with my favorite item. And I got these ballerina shoes. Originally it was like $46. So I was like, I'm not about to pay that. So I waited. Finally went on sale, my size. And what I like about it is that this literally goes with anything. And the buckles are adjustable. So I like it. It's really cute. The store was about to close, so I didn't really have time to try things on. Just kind of grabbed whatever I liked. So the next thing I got is this white dress. And it's really cute because it has eyelet details. And it's like really cool kind of material. It's perfect for summer. And then what I like is that you can tie around the waist and it has a bunch of tassels. It's really cute. And yeah, I haven't tried this on yet, but hopefully it fits. The next item, I made a huge mistake. I'm so dumb. So I got to the same thing by accident. So it looks like this. It's a white t-shirt boxy dress. What I like is the buttons and this middle lining. It's really cool. It has a little bit of Gucci vibe, although they're not Gucci colors. Yeah, I really like it. So I got this in medium, and then I also got one in extra small. I don't know why I grabbed two different sizes, but yeah, I think this is gonna look super cute with like maybe the ballet shoes I got, or even just plain Gucci side. Oh my god, this one, I am so excited. It is this black leather dress. It's pleather, and I love how there's like little flounce on the sleeve. And basically I'm gonna wear this with like white button up. I think it's gonna look super cute and preppy, and you're gonna look hella expensive, which I really like because leather makes your outfit look a little elegant, and I really like it. It's a soft leather. Whew. And this was only $15.99. It was originally $46. I'm going with the black trend. I bought a dress, and it's like a plain dress. Looks like this. It's a little see-through, but I think it's going to be perfect for summer. It's a v-neck, and I don't know what else I can say about this dress. Again, I thought of wearing this with the ballet shoes, because ballet shoes are a little like kind of like oomph to the outfit, so I thought it would be perfect. Guys, I have two more black dresses to share. So this one is a t-shirt dress. It's just a plain t-shirt dress. It's cotton material. The sleeves are folded. Why do I keep buying black stuff? I don't know. The second black dress. This is my last black dress, guys. It looks like this. It's a tight bodycon with long sleeves, and it has a little bit of shoulder pads and deep V. I really like this dress, and the sleeves have little like sparkly detail. It's gonna look super elegant because it cinches your waist, and the line is just super neat, straight down bodycon. I really like it. This was again $15.99, originally $50, so I think it's a great deal. Last item of this haul is again my favorite. So I think all of them are my favorite. Oh no. So it is the skirt, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's like black stitching going on. And this is really structured and like super thick, which I really love. And it kind of gives me that like Korean skirt vibe. I love that kind of look. And this was only $12.99. Originally it was $36.99. Yeah, so I'm gonna wear this with black t-shirt or graphic t-shirts. I think it's gonna look pretty good with maybe like Doc Martens. Alright, so that concludes my haul. I hope you guys liked it. It was a little treat to myself. Kind of like spoiling myself.
Yeah, I'm gonna work my ass off for the next semester, so it's like a little treat to myself.
Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you've got to get a hold of yourself.